Defect. In casual conversation, a defect might mean a minor cosmetic flaw on an item you purchased. In law, it implies a dangerous or fundamental failure. A legal defect is a substantial imperfection that renders a product unsafe, or a legal document invalid. In property law, an issue with ownership is often called a title defect or a cloud on title. This concept is central to consumer law across the US, Europe, and Australia. In product liability, a defect can occur during the manufacturing process, within the original design, or through inadequate safety warnings. If an item fails to meet reasonable safety expectations and causes injury, the manufacturer is held strictly liable. Alternatively, in legal paperwork, a defect refers to a critical error, such as a missing signature, which destroys its enforceability. For example, an automotive company designs a car but uses substandard materials for the braking system. This creates a dangerous manufacturing defect. If a driver crashes because the brakes suddenly fail, they can sue the company. The plaintiff must prove that this specific mechanical defect directly caused their injuries. Once proven, the manufacturer will be forced to pay significant damages for releasing a flawed product into the market.